So these are slings. These are for plants that typically you'll trellis going vertically. Like we have this arch trellis right here that is holding this melon right here, this watermelon. And so what you'll do is you'll insert the melon, you'll open the sling up, and you'll put the melon inside, and then you'll take these little ropes on opposite ends, you'll take them up and tie them, and I'll show you how to do it right now. So just open the sling like so, and these we got on Amazon a couple years back and have lasted. I don't remember how many we got exactly, but that was a whole lot. You'll take your string, and you'll tie it. Make sure you knot it good. I like to do 2 or 3 knots just to make sure. Very bright because the sun's right overhead. Okay, got 3 knots in there. And you'll take this portion, and what you want to do is you want to tie it, and you can loosen it as it grows. That way it has space to expand. And so the sling also holds the melon. So it's a win for you and a win for the melon. The melon don't die, and then a win for you because you successfully taken care of a watermelon. Just like so.